Hi, I'm Jack, and hi, I'm Jack's sister, Madeline.
Jack is my third born, and he is the most easygoing out of all three of my children, and he's just very loving and warm. So Jack's accident occurred just after he turned 3 years old, and his dad was outside mowing the lawn, so he ran up behind the lawnmower as he was trying to get his dad's attention. Dad, of course, didn't hear him because the motor was loud, and turned, and as he turned, Jack sort of slipped and his foot slid under the deck of the lawnmower. We were initially told that the extent of his injuries were very severe, that the likelihood of saving his foot was very slim.
This is Jack's word for bravery.
After about the third surgery, a doctor came in one morning and had me sign an amputation form. The next day he went into surgery and something happened. Overnight, there was blood flow to the heel of his foot. He was in the hospital a total of 3 weeks with 8 surgeries. The wonderful part of the whole story is that he has his entire foot. He's an active, now 6-year-old boy.
My motorcycle, hockey, football, baseball.
Accidents happen, and it's a split second, and it changes your life and your child's life forever. I think it's critical that we constantly keep our awareness about different safety tips that we hear. The more we talk about them and the more we learn about them, the better all of our children are in the community.
That's rap.